Hell yeah.
Yo, so if you watched my video from the other day, a few days ago, you seen that I did the review for the cordless fast feeds, which is cool. If you like them, you like them. You don't, you don't. But they also brought out the cordless T finishers. I never used these originally, so I had no idea. I had no expectations. With the fast feed, I had some type of expectation. Even though I wasn't a fan of the fast feed, I had some sort of, wait a minute, I know how these are. Let me see how they feel, all right? With these, I had no idea. But here we are. Now, I have already been using the trimmers, right? But I did not unbox everything because when I opened them, I just wanted to see if the OSTER, if the fast feeds and the trimmers use the same charging dock, and they do. All right. But with that being said, we're gonna see what's in this box before I do a quick review of the trimmer. All right. So you get these from, I also got these from 614 Barber Supply. These were $160 on the website. And again, I don't know if that's the real price because there's no advertisement, there's no promotion or anything from OSTER itself. The OSTER Instagram has just recently started putting out that cordless stuff is on the way. There's still no date, there's still no time, there's still no price. So you still don't know how much everything is gonna be. They come in the same type of packaging, and I'm not gonna detail the package or anything. Does come with your oil, little trimmer guards, charging block, and charging stand, all right? And again, I haven't opened this because, which is a great thing, the OSTER fast feed, the fast feeds and the trimmers use the same charging dock, which is amazing, all right? Amazing, I'm just good. Either way, it's a good thing, all right? So, with that being said, we're going to get into just a quick review of the trimmer. I've had a few days to live with it, see how I feel about it, and all that good stuff, right? So with that, you do get 180-minute runtime. Come with the T-blade, of course. And that's pretty much it. Lithium-ion battery. Yeah, and that's the package for the trimmer. So, trimmer, same package. I mean, it's the same package. Nothing different. Nothing, you know. Which is not a bad thing because they come together. It's the same. It's like a set. It's like a married couple. You know what I'm saying? So, this is a trimmer. Very lightweight. Again, I never used the original one, so I didn't know what to expect with these. They do got some length to them, not a problem, but they are pretty long for a trimmer, almost like a Babeless. And at first, I did not like the Babeless, the Gold FXs, but I am more of a fan of the smaller trimmers that give you something to, I don't know, kind of grip in my hand a little bit easier. And that's just me. It's just me, all right? So this is the trimmer, and this is the sound. Not too loud, you know, got some nice sound to it. It's not loud at all. See, it got the green light. The green light is there when it's on, and when it's charging, it comes on. Charging port here. You see the blade. Let me see if you can see the blade. All right. So I pulled these out, and when I review or when I want to use the clippers or trimmers that I get, I like to use them fresh out the box first so I can see how they came set, right? These came set pretty decently. They could give you a decent line, especially if you was like, let's say you was on a kid or you was just cleaning up under the neck or you didn't want nothing too sharp up under there. These are great for that in the beginning. But I did want to zero gap them because I like to tap and kind of go, all right? Out the box, okay. Once you zero gap them, they do give you a better line. The line is still not definitive enough for me, if I'm saying it right. It's still not a tap and just go. You know what I'm saying? You still sometimes got to put a little work in. It works better on certain textures of hair, like straighter hair. It's not the best with coarse hair. All right. Especially going over a bald head. I think I did a bald head with it. And it's cool. It's not as smooth as some of the other trimmers that I have, but it's cool. All right. So this trimmer, I think, is more worth the tryout than the fast feed. And again, I never used a regular T finisher. I didn't know what to expect, right? I think I will keep this out as far as just giving it a little longer run time to see if I could maybe swap it out for another trimmer. As of right now, it's cool. And I know somebody commented and it was like, it's not OSTER's fault that these other companies have been putting out this, and this, right? It's not OSTER's fault. And they was like, I'm gonna find a comment, but they was like, they blame the other companies for putting more stuff out or something like that. I'm gonna put it right here. I'm gonna put the comment right here. But it's still more advanced. No matter who we blame for, if you blame OSTER for not putting it out, or if you blame OSTER for sticking to the old school feel, no matter who you blame, it still happened. You get what I'm saying? Like a lot of people, anyway, no matter who you put the blame on, if you put the blame on Gamma and Stylecraft and Babyliss for pushing the envelope, like, where's the problem in that of them trying to do something different? And I get what it's saying. I get what the comment is somewhat meaning if we would have used these when they came out or when they was, yeah, if these would have came out before I got the Low Pros, before I got the X Evos, before I got the 22 Stingers, before I got the Gold FXs, and yeah, if it came out before all them, it'd be fine. But we have all them. I can't, when I'm in the barbershop and I'm working day in, day out, head after head, I can't compare a clipper or a trimmer and say, well, this is cool, so I'm gonna continue to use it only because it would have been good years ago. But we're past that now. We got to keep moving forward. So with these new trimmers, this is not giving me the feel that I want to throw everything else to the side and go to this. You get what I'm saying? Or this. The Gold FX's clippers are trimmer. The Low Pros clippers are trimmer. The Rebels, the JRLs, the Mythics, like, there's so many other products out. So yes, you can blame it on whoever, but these are still the products that OSTER chose to put out. And again, it's their company. They can do what they want. I love it. But then on the other end, people that are the consumers are buying it based off of what's on the market, the price of items on the market, the motor, the runtime. So I don't know what else to say. But anyway, long story short, is this worth it? Yes. For certain situations. This won't be the best clipper on the market. I don't think I'll be hearing people saying that this is making you put up other trimmers or stuff like that. But it is worth a try. I do like this trimmer, especially when you get the blade set. It does give a smooth cut. It works better with certain textures of hair, which is cool. You get what I'm saying? I do like that blade. I don't know why. I guess because this is thin, it makes this blade feel a lot wider than other blades, which I know it's not, but it gives it the feel, right? So either way, don't get hot. Stays this runtime, 160, 614 barber supply. All right. So that is the OSTER T Finisher quick review. If you like the videos, thumbs up the videos. If you dislike the videos, thumbs down the videos. All right. Comment, share, and subscribe. Stay engaged. We're almost to the 5,000 subscriber mark, and I'll be putting out a video at 4,500 subscribers to explain what's in the giveaway. Not exactly how to enter, because you won't get that information until 5,000 subscribers. But at 4,500, I will be releasing the video of what's in the package. All right? All right. Peace.